Slaymas, y'all. So this is day 2, and I'm going to be doing this wig install using this wig that was sent to me by Yolova hair. I'm going to show y'all exactly how I laid this wig down. I love this hair. It's very soft. Yeah, let's get into this look. Okay, so this is the box that the wig comes in, and it has the logo on it. And then when you open the box, it has this message on the inside, and then it also comes with a thank you card. If you flip this card over, it's a membership card with discounts on the back. And then it came with lashes, a wig cap, and tweezers. So the length of my wig was 24 inches, and I got the loose deep wave, which was really, really pretty. Hey honey, so what I decided to do was to take my Ruby Kisses mineral powder foundation and my little foundation brush and put the powder on my wig cap, and then I put it on the closure as well. And then I just started smiling right here because I realized when I'm doing videos, like, I don't really smile. The hair felt so good. This was how it was after I did the knots. And yeah, so now I'm about to do the install, and I'm just gonna let y'all see exactly what I'm doing, and then I'll see y'all when I'm doing the review. The hair felt so good, and I was kind of feeling myself when I had put this wig on, because I wasn't expecting it to be this full, but it was nice and full. And this was actually my first time doing an install like this. Normally I don't do like the got to be glue and all that stuff, but I did it for this video. I've been studying a lot of videos like that. My husband came in and said I looked good, so yeah, I had to smile for him real quick. So basically, I just use the Got to Be Glue spray to help hold the hair down when I'm doing the hot comb method. It just helps hold it in place really, really good. So that's why y'all gonna see me spraying the Got to Be Glue spray. And then I was going for like a natural scalpy type of look. So that's what I'm doing in this video. That's why I keep going over it with the hot comb, because I want it to be like laid a certain way. And I'm going to do this until it's given what I want it to give. Okay, so now I'm just using the Got to Be spray as an adhesive because I don't want to use lace glue. And then I'm just going to take this little strip and lay my lace down, and I sat with that for like 15 minutes. And then now I'm about to do the little finishing touches so y'all can see like how it turned out. And this was not like HD lace, it was transparent, so I did have to go in with some more of my foundation powder on top of the lace just to give it a better blend. But yeah, this was how it was coming along, and it was looking so good. So I decided to pull down some pieces for like little baby hairs, not really baby hairs, like edges, swoops or whatever, just to cover up those corners of the lace where it was kind of thick. So yeah, that's what you're gonna see me doing in a little bit. and these were my final results, which I feel like really wasn't bad for my first try. But yeah, I was feeling myself, if you can't tell by now. This is the final look for this wig. What I did do was take some more of my powder foundation and try to put it into the lace. This was not HD lace. It's not that melt into your skin type of lace. I think this was just the transparent lace. So I did put some more of the foundation, the powder foundation on my lace, because I did feel like the lace was a little bit lighter, and I am a chocolate woman, so yeah. As far as the hair goes, I don't really have any complaints. I was really actually impressed by this hair, because once I put it on my head, I don't know if y'all saw my reaction when I initially put it on, but I was like, oh my God, like, this hair feels good. You know, it had me feeling real good. I love hair that has volume. I love big hair. I've always loved big hair ever since I was younger. I love volume, and I love, you know, just big hair, and this is what this is giving. This hair is 24 inches. Like I said, this is the loose deep wave, and I could just run my hands through this hair with no problems. If I had to like choose a company, I would definitely look into doing, you know, Yolova hair. The wig is nice and full. I was thinking at first, I did think that the wig was going to be thin when I had washed my bleach out of the roots, because I had to bleach the knots, but it's actually not. It's actually not bad at all. I love it. This was actually my first time doing a wig install like this before. Normally when I do my wig installs, I just cut the lace, throw the wig on my head, and I call it a day. Well, I bleach the knots, cut the lace, you know, do the coloring, and then, you know, throw it on my head and call it a day. But I was going for more like a frontal type of vibe with it, so that's why I decided to do the little swoops. And it's also hiding that thick part of the lace that's at the ends. But other than that, the hair is amazing. It feels so good. It's so soft. I feel like it looks bomb. Like, you can't tell me nothing with this hair. So if you are interested in purchasing this unit, or just checking out like other units, the link is going to be in the description box, and there's also a discount code, so just make sure you pay attention to the description box. Click on that and shop with Yolova hair. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I had so much fun trying out this wig, you know, just a new experience for me, and I look forward to doing more wig reviews for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.